Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tubing connectors is probably one of the most underappreciated components in your irrigation system, but trust me, they're essential. They're the unsung heroes that keep your water flowing smoothly, preventing leaks, and ensuring your plants get the hydration they need. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of irrigation tubing connectors, exploring different types, materials, and how to choose the perfect ones for your specific needs. Number 5. Irrigation Tubing Adapter 3-Pack. This adapter makes it simple to connect your 1-2-inch drip irrigation tubing to any standard 3-4-inch faucet or garden hose. Just insert and twist, no tools are needed. Each fitting includes a pre-installed rubber washer for a watertight seal. The adapter fits a wide range of half-inch tubing sizes. It's compatible with many brands, including Rainbird, Orbit, Dig, Hunter, and Toro. The large fitting ID also means less flow restriction. The barb design ensures the tubing won't slip or blow off, even under high pressure. You can count on it for a secure, leak-free connection, no matter the conditions. Unlike other fittings, this adapter is reusable and built to last. You can easily remove and reinstall it for versatile use. Its durable construction ensures years of reliable performance. This adapter features patented locking technology, perfect for high-pressure situations and areas with foot traffic. The locking mechanism is easily tightened after the drip line is pushed on, providing a rugged and reliable connection. What we like. This adapter makes connecting your 1-2-inch tubing to a standard faucet a breeze. It features a patented locking technology that ensures a secure, leak-proof seal, even under high pressure. If you're looking for a reliable and reusable solution for your drip irrigation system, you should consider this. What people say. Installed all three in my drip system pretty easily with no compatibility issues or leaks. The threads to the garden hose are deep, form a tight seal, and the other side that locks the tubing over the barb is really great too. Easy to use, works well. Number 4. Irrigation Fittings Kit for Garden. This irrigation kit comes with a box for easy storage. Installation is simple, just push the tubing onto the barbs for a tight fit. No tools are required. For a better fit, you can soften the tubing in hot water before assembly. The kit includes a total of 280 pieces, including elbows, end plugs, 4-way connectors, single barbs, straight barbs, and tees. This provides plenty of fittings for your irrigation needs. These irrigation fittings are made of high-quality, safe, and non-toxic plastics. They are durable, corrosion-resistant, and designed to last, ensuring a long service life. These connectors are ideal for various applications, including vegetable gardens, flower beds, lawns, and greenhouses. They are suitable for both residential and agricultural irrigation. Please confirm the size before purchasing. These kits are designed for 1-4-inch drip irrigation pipes. If needed, use a heat gun or blow dryer to soften the tubing end before inserting it. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of connectors for your 1-4-inch tubing needs. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. If you have a variety of garden beds or a larger irrigation project, this kit will provide everything you need. What people say. The connectors are easy to use. They fit perfectly and do not leak. The product is well made and durable. Number 3. Drip irrigation fittings for 1-2-inch drip tubing. This fitting provides a quick and easy way to connect two pieces of 1-2-inch drip irrigation tubing. It's designed for a secure fit, making your irrigation setup simple and efficient. The product fits all major brands of 1-2-inch tubing with a .650 OD, 16 mm, outer diameter. Ensure your tubing matches these specifications for the best results. If your water line is larger than 16.5 mm, it might not be suitable. Featuring a barb design, this fitting ensures a secure, leak-proof connection. The twist lock provides extra hold, keeping the tubing firmly in place for reliable performance. Installation is incredibly easy, requiring no glue, tools, or additional fixtures. You can quickly connect or disconnect the tubing as needed, saving you time and effort. Made from highly durable, UV-resistant, and chemical-resistant materials, this product is built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance in your irrigation system. What we like. This connector offers a simple and reliable way to join your 1-2-inch drip tubing. The barbed design ensures a secure, leak-proof connection, and the durable materials guarantee a long lifespan. If you are looking for a straightforward solution for your irrigation needs, it is a great choice. What people say. The fitment of standard 1-2 drip lines bought at Lowe's was perfect, and provided a solid dripless connection. The barbed side of the fitting slides in with ease. The fittings hand tighten easily and they withstand the 25 psi managed water pressure of my irrigation system. Number 2. 28P Drip Irrigation Fittings Kit, 17 mm. Introducing the 28P Drip Irrigation Fittings Kit. This kit includes everything you need to upgrade your existing drip or sprinkler system. It's designed to make your gardening easier. The set includes 10 couplings, 6 T's, 6 elbows, and 6 tubing end closures. This comprehensive set provides all the necessary components for a complete irrigation setup. It offers great value and convenience. These 17 mm fittings are compatible with most 1-2-inch drip irrigation tubing. They work with various brands, making it a versatile choice for your garden. You can easily integrate it into your existing system. Made with environmentally friendly and chemical-resistant materials, it's built to last. The sturdy construction ensures a long lifespan, providing reliable performance season after season. It's a durable solution for your watering needs. Installation is simple, requiring no glue, tools, or clamps. The barbed ends securely grip the tubing, creating a leak-proof connection. For easier installation, you can heat the end of the hose. Ideal for various applications, including gardens, greenhouses, and agricultural settings. Whether you're setting up a flower bed or a patio, it's the perfect solution. It helps you efficiently water your plants. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of connectors for your 1-2-inch tubing needs. Made with environmentally friendly and chemical-resistant materials, it is sturdy and will last for a long time. If you like a complete set of connectors for your irrigation system, you should consider this. What people say. Worked great for replacing a damaged section on my 1-2-inch drip line in my flower bed. These fit the standard 1-2-inch hose sold at Lowe's perfectly. Good product that works well with connecting your irrigation system. Number 1. JOYPRO 1-4-inch Drip Irrigation Fittings Kit. This kit is designed to work with most standard 1-4-inch drip irrigation tubing. Make sure to check your tubing size before you buy. It's a perfect match for your gardening needs. These connectors are made of high-quality engineering plastics. This makes them durable, strong, and resistant to water and chemicals. They are built to last. Installation is a breeze, no glue, tools, or clamps are needed. Simply push the tubing over the barbs. The barbed ends ensure a secure, leak-proof connection. The 130-piece set includes 60 couplings, 40 T's, 20 elbows, and 10 end plugs. This comprehensive set has everything you need for your 1-4-inch drip irrigation system. These fittings are ideal for various applications, including gardens, flower beds, greenhouses, farms, lawns, and patios. It's perfect for any agricultural watering system. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for 1-4-inch irrigation tubing, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. The durable plastic material guarantees longevity and resistance to the elements. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-use solution for your 1-4-inch drip irrigation system, you should consider this. What people say. They worked great for the repairs. Works as described, sometimes can be a little tough to turn. Perfect for the 1-4 tubing that you get in your local big box store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.